Today we have an Audi Quattro Q5, and we're going to show you how to remove a stereo from this car. Here we have, this is a very sophisticated system. We have a full library of removal guides on our website. We will have door panel removal as well. But the main control in this car, for this car stereo, is the MMI. This is the multimedia interface. This allows you to control the stereo, stations, USB, all inputs. But we're going to show you how to take a stereo out of this car. And we're going to start with backing out here, moving over to the trunk release, and we're going to open the back latch. Now we're going to move back to the trunk. Again, we have a full library of removal guides. And now we're going to take this out of the car. This is the stereo I was talking about. We have one speaker. The other's on its way. And of course we can't forget the turntable that sits on the top. This isn't quite what we normally do. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See our website for a complete library of removal guides for your car and other cars as well. Hope this video has been funny and helpful. Thank you for watching.